Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can use Google Calendar in like few steps. And like using Google Calendar is really intuitive and it's simple, and I think if I show it to you in 3 minutes you will know everything that you need. So the most important thing is this button create. By that you can create event, reminder or task. Most people are like adding events because it's really customizable, and you just add here like title. So you just add the title, I don't know, evening with movie, right? And then you can choose like when it is going to happen. So we can go and put it to 15th of September. And as we can see, we got it here. And then you can change time when it's going to happen. But before we continue, I want to show you the 1 second things that I recommend you to change. I recommend changing the language and region, date format and time format, which is good for you. And then like having the time zone here. These are the 2 things I recommend right now before you start doing any events and everything. Change what you like. I'm from Slovakia and we are using this time format. We are not using this one. So it's like really up to you. Now, again, let's go create event, September 15, evening movie. Now you're gonna see add guests. You can just add guest here and then add video conferencing if you want to, if you like Zoom or Google Meet, and you can just like add different people. And then you're gonna just like add location here that you can add like where it's going to happen, Slovakia, all right. And then just add a description, and then it's like here are you know, the calendar. This is like my main calendar here. And default visibility and 30 minutes before the notification. So this is got like evening movie. Now click just save here. And now we're gonna have movie. What can I do is to increase the event. Then I can again click on it, click edit event. I can still add guests. I can duplicate it, delete it, whatever I want. You can change owner, you can publish the event to people. You know, it's like really simple. You can create even in event is like really easy. Delete. When I'm going to click on it, I can click options, duplicate, right? Save. I can just move it here. Or what you can do is just click on it if you want to have it like every single day. Click edit and all day and daily. So every single day is going to be, look at this. Now let me give you a second. Edit all day, does not repeat. Yes, we want to have it daily. Nice. And look at this. As you can see, evening movie, everywhere is evening movie, right? And I can just click here, delete event and all events, because I just added all day. So it's going to be up here. So this is how you can like add events. Then you can create also reminders and tasks, which are also really simple and really easy to do. So there is not so much to talk about. And this is how the whole Google Calendar works. You can change it by not by week on the right top corner. You can go by day, by month if you want to. And I can have like everything here. Or you can go by year even. So that's pretty much it. And this is how you can use Google Calendar. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.